I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a picture in MS Paint. So first, let's load in our picture. Let's get this Jeep. Let's quickly resize this. Maybe a little bit smaller. Half the size again. There we go. So now we want to make this Jeep stand out and this background transparent. So all we need to do, it's pretty simple. Hover over remove background. So do that. The background's gone. The problem is if we go to save this, it's going to save it with a white background. So what we need to do now is make sure that we go over to layers and then down on the bottom right, there's a hide background. Click on that. And now if you see this checkerboard pattern, you know that you've totally removed this. Now this is just a freestanding Jeep that can be placed anywhere on any program that you want. What you need to do now is file, save as. You need to save it as a PNG picture. And we'll just save it to the desktop. And we'll go Jeep background removed. Done. So now if we go to look at that picture that I've saved, Jeep background removed. There we go. Background's not there. Perfect. So that's it. Short and sweet. Let me know if you got any questions. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Bye now.